Hey friends, welcome to my channel, Mathematical Coaching Center. After watching this video, don't forget to. In this video, I will explain and solve exercise 2.3 problems, of class 7, and this comes under the same chapter, ratio only. Last time we had done 2.3, so this is 2.2, and this is 2.3. Okay, so let's start. So to explain this chapter, I'm taking three terms: total, ratio, and individual value. You know the meaning of a ratio, right? So I'll try to explain the relationship between these three terms. Okay, so these three terms are related to each other. So let's try to understand. I'm taking one number 50 as a total. Okay, so I'm splitting this number into two, 30 and 20. So it means that if I add these two numbers, I will get 50. Simple, as total, right? Now if I am asked to find out the ratio of these two numbers, the ratio will be 30:20, right? Now after simplifying, we'll get 3:2. So why to simplify? Because ratio means the lowest form, so we have to simplify. We have to reduce this expression to make this. Okay, so how? 30:20, right? So I'm reducing this expression by dividing these two numbers, antecedent and consequent, by 10. So 10 into 3 will become 30, 10 into 2 will become 20. So it's 3:2. Okay, another case, I'm taking one ratio 3:2, the same ratio. Okay, but this time total is not given, unknown. Now how to find the numbers, individual values? How to find them? We cannot say 30 and 20 are the exact numbers. No, there is no other reference, no other information given. Okay, there could be other numbers also, like 6 and 4. If you calculate the ratio of these pair, okay, you'll get 3:2, simple. And there are other also, like 15 and 10. Same case. If you try to find out the ratio of these numbers, okay, you'll get 3:2, and there are many more, right? Now it's very difficult to find out the exact pair or the combination of the numbers. Okay, so I'm taking another case, 27 as a total, 4:5 as the ratio. Now this time if I'm asked to find out the numbers, now this time I have the total, right? So it's very simple to find out the individual value. So let's start. Total is equal to 27, ratio is 4:5. Now the values means the numbers. So I'm using two ways, two methods. First method, I'm using multiplying factor. I'm taking the help of multiplying factor. So in this case, A is the multiplying factor. You can take any alphabet, B, X, whatever. So the ratio is 4:5. Okay, first number will be 4. Is simple, 4 into A. We just need to multiply the antecedent and consequent by the multiplying factor. Okay, the second number will become 5. Is simple, the ratio is 4:5, and because of A, because of the multiplying factor, the numbers are 4A and 5A. Simple. Now according to the question, the total is given as 27. So 4A plus 5A, and you will get 27. Now after solving this, you will get A is equal to 3. So first number was 4A, so we have 3 as the value of A. So 4 into 3 will become 12. Similarly, second number will become 15, 5A. Okay, 15. So this is just for verification. If you add these two numbers, 12 and 15, you will get 27. So 27 was the total, right? So the two numbers are 12 and 15. In the second method, we just need to find the sum of the ratio. So ratio is 4:5. Okay, let me use pen. This is the ratio, right? Now we have to find the sum of the ratio, means we have to add the antecedent and the consequent, and we will get the sum of the ratio. So this is the sum of the ratio. Now how to find the numbers? The first number will become the first part. First part means this one, antecedent. The first number will be the first part divided by the sum of the ratio, into total. So total is 27. So after you simplify this, you will get 12. Understood? This is the direct method. Now the second number is the second part, that means the consequent. Okay, consequent divided by the sum of the ratio, very simple, into the total. Same thing only, we just need to change the first value of the numerator. Okay, antecedent and consequent. So it's very simple, we just need to change this value, rest are same. So in the first number we have to write the antecedent, and in the second number we have to write the consequent. So after simplifying this expression we will get 15. So these two are the numbers. Okay, so both the methods are simple and easy to understand, right? Now let's try to solve the problem. Question number 1. The ratio of literate and illiterate people of a village is 4:1. If the population of the village is 6,550, find the numbers of people, right? So the total is given as this one and the ratio is given. We need to find the numbers. Okay, total is given, ratio is given. So we will apply the second method. You can use the first method also, whatever you want. Okay, the sum of the ratio will be 5, right? 4:1, that means 4 plus 1 will become 5. Now, so the same case, the number of literate means the first one, antecedent. Okay, number of literate people will become the antecedent, means this one, divided by the sum of the ratio, that is 5, into the total. Total is this one, 6550. So you will get 5250, simple. And number of illiterate people will become 1 divided by 5. 1 means this one. Okay, so 1 divided by, again the same thing, you're just changing this one only, divided by 5 into 6550, they are same. Okay, both the cases. So number of illiterate people is 1310. So these are the answers. Now there are total 14 sums from this chapter, out of which I have done question number 1. Okay, so I've given the solutions for question number 4, then 6, 9 and 14. So you can take a pause and just go through this solutions. Okay, do the homework. So this is the homework, exercise 2.3, question number 2 to 13, except 4, 6 and 9. Okay, all the best.